What's up, fam? How are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming. If it's your second time or third time, or you're always a member of this family, just know that I really do appreciate you. So it's that time of the year when I get to travel. Like, it's my birthday month. It's November, good people, yes. And my birthday is actually tomorrow, and I'm traveling. Like, it's around 6 something right now. I think, let me see. Wait, yeah, it's 6:10 right now. And I'm just about to leave. I did my packing yesterday, and I'm so proud of myself because these days I'm packing light, like I'm traveling light. So impressed. I'm only going with this one bag, and then this other one here is kind of like hand luggage. That's where my camera will be. And then this one I could not carry, like, what do you call it? I could not carry the box for this. I'll just carry it like this because I think I'll need it a lot for my phone. Because yes. And let me put this camera down because I feel like it's getting heavy. So most of the time I travel alone for my birthdays, but this time round I'm not traveling alone, and you'll be able to see the people that I'm going with and the people that I love with all my heart and soul. I hope it's gonna be a fun trip. The place I'm going to, I've never been there before, and it's a place that I really need to go to. Like, I can't believe that I'm here and I've never been to this place, you know. Like, it's one of those places that we all need to go to. Yes, and I'm gonna bring you along. You'll be able to, of course, see everything. I hope I'll be able to cover as much as possible, though my plan is to just rest. It's time for me to, I think, go and sit and wait because I'm waiting to be picked up. And yeah, the journey has just started, good people. Meet my ladies. Hey, shimnaka vizuri. Meet Kathy. Kathy, say hi. Hi. Marel. Hi. And Jackie. Hi. Okay, they've hired you guys, so but simnaka vizuri. Oh my god.
I live my life on the run. I say I'm not giving up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. In a similar way, I feel I'm losing my conscience, traveling for days without my knowledge of provenance. Throughout my life you called me a renegade. Oh, wow. Through all my lows you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade.
We're here for a break, are we?
Narok Town.
Yes, we are at a place called, okay wait, it's Narok Town, like you had said it. We're going to find something to eat here, and then the journey continues. Good people, we're finally in the room, and see what I got. Like, it's written happy birthday Christina. It's not my birthday yet, but yeah, I'm so excited. Like, I was so happy. Like, it's the thought that counts for me, and then the flowers. I love flowers, but this year I've not received flowers from anyone. Okay, life is hard. Thank you so much for doing this. I really do appreciate. There's an H missing there, but it's okay. The place is so beautiful. I think I'll give you guys a room tour later on, but for now I just want to charge my phone, do something, you know, unpack, because that is something that I just have to do. morning, good people. How are you doing? It's another day. Yes, it's day 2 and it's my birthday.
Girl, happy birthday. Mwah. Mwah.
Thank you. I just feel like thank you.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hard.
It's my birthday. I'm so excited. It's day 2. We are here. But am I excited about the game drive? I'm not sure. I don't think I'm that crazy about game drives, but it's something that I just have to do like once in a lifetime. You know, I just want to tick it off my bucket list. But I'll bring you along. And the person behind the camera is Jackie, by the way. You're going to meet her like in a few. Say hi to Jackie. Yes. She's on phone. And say hi to our driver. Moses, yes. We're back. Going for lunch in a few. So good people, let me show you quickly how the rooms looks like. That's the entrance. You come that way and then you go up. That's how the rooms look like from outside, or the room area. Yep. So our room is this one right here. We're sharing with Jackie. And then when you go up, yep, as you come in you can see the beds. Yes, that's my bed, that's Jackie's. The room is very big, by the way, like it's just super big. That's the closet just next to the door. There you go. So here we have the place for, there's a chair right here, our suitcases are there, shoes, nini, all that. There's a table here if you want to make coffee or tea or anything, you can have it over here. Do your stuff. There's that fan which we haven't used because it's been raining, like it started raining today. I don't know, for some reason when we're away. And that's the bathroom area. I need to get in. Yes. There's a mirror, sink, nini, our stuff already there. And yep, there's enough space, I think. Like they have enough space. Yep, that's all. It's a quick one. Oh yeah, and the towels are here as well. There we go. Yep. See my life, I'm already out of the game.
We are going to Shago. Yes, I'm here, villager. A villager nowadays taking videos, selling them. Actually, she was the first one to leave. Yeah.
So good people, I'm already out of the game, and it's still my birthday. Yes. And it's been raining, like it's really cold over here. There's nothing much to do outside, but at least you're playing games inside. So so I'm already out. So I think I'll just chill over here
200.
And write on my diary, because I was supposed to do that, and I'm gonna do that just right now. Yes. What's up, good people? It's my last day here, and I know I haven't done like anything to do with the hotel tour, so which I'm gonna do now. We are at a place called Jambo, and today is my last day. I don't know if I mentioned, and I'm gonna show you the facilities that they have. It's been amazing staying here. And behind me is the restaurant. We're gonna start with the restaurant definitely before people come for breakfast, and then I can take you to other places. So whatever you're seeing is my bag down there, and this is the restaurant. When you come in, there's that, and then you have this Maasai guy over here. That's the restaurant. It's so big, by the way. There's plants. once you come in from the gate. That's how the place looks like. And that's Jambo Mara. That's this way. That's the waiting area. There's a table tennis down here, so for those who want to play table tennis. So this is the gym area. So if you're planning to work out, they even have this one for, you know, boxing. They have, oh my god, they have quite a number of things. The treadmills, you can see definitely. So you'll be working out as you watch the people at the pool or right next to the pool. Yep, but this is the gym area that they have. The other last part that I'm gonna take you to before I go for breakfast, upstairs. Let me take you. They have this place up here where you can actually chill, have a drink, I think. Yes, you can see. Then on this other side, let's see. Now here we have some activities. There's this one here for football. I think it's I don't know, maybe. Yeah, football, I'm assuming. Then we have, of course, there's another one right here. Then we have the pool table, which we wanted to, you know, at least use, but we did not. Yep, so that's how the entire place is. And I hope I've done justice to you guys and to the place as well. So that's where the pool is. Yep. And this is how the supper part looks like. So I'm assuming you can come with your drink, sit over there and play, you know. Yeah. And I like the fact that there's this space for when you want to put your bags or something. That's right there. Yep. And that's the reception from here. That's where the reception is. Yeah. Yes. Good people, that's like the quick hotel tour for this Jambo Mara. I'm going to have my breakfast right now. I really need to, oh, okay, where's the door? Yeah. I really need to have breakfast right now because you're supposed to leave this place as soon as possible. So anyway, let me go and eat.
Has come to an end. We've come to the end of this video. I'm ending it here with Jackie. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Our trip at the Mara has come to an end. Yes, and we are going back to Nairobi. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do. If you like this particular video, please thumbs up, and until next time, kisses to you.